Guys, isurpresa natin sila. Ito yung main pool. Meron pong pool doon sa kabila. Isurpresa natin sila guys. Nandito sila sa ibabaw. Hello mga guys! Oh, may jacuzzi din sa taas.
Wait lang, kami.
No!
Kami na. Iyan mo, ibaba mo yung video, ibaba ka pa. Sige pa. Tapos ganun ka. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait lang, puro sa dagat. So nice, you should swim, Dad.
Yeah. Jacuzzi guys. On top of the swimming pool. On the right side, this is the left side, and infinity pool.
Okay, so I think that's how much
May jacuzzi on top. And that's the view of the raging seas because of the habagat. Andyan kami kumain guys kagabi. And ito yung natin. Ito yung accommodation. And that's the sports and recreation. Alright, that's the 360 view of Park Lane in Anda Bohol. And doon kami pala nagkuhan kanina kumain. Breakfast there. Bye! And then doon sa lugar na yon, actually hindi na nakikita yung silhouette ng Camiguin Province or yung Mambahaw, yung Mount Hibok-Hibok na active volcano. Diyan mismo. Yes, sa finger ko yan. Merong silhouette ng mountain, hindi lang malinaw. Right? We are in Anda Bohol, guys. One of the best beaches in the province of Bohol or even in the Philippines.